Here are 5 game-changing tips to make applying false lashes so much easier. Tip number 1, go with a brush-on glue. This has an incredibly fine point, so you can't really glob on too much glue, making a mess, and I prefer the kind that dries clear. Don't invest in expensive lashes. Go for a drugstore pair that come in a multi-pack so you can practice as much as you want. This is the Kiss 01 style, and I love these because they have a clear band, so it blends well with your lash line. And tip number 3, practice wearing half lashes. Hold this up against your eye, and you're gonna trim the lash right about where your pupil starts, just right there. Now we have 2 separate pieces, and now applying a little lash like this versus a full strip like this is so much easier. If you're just starting out, a full lash like this can stick up on the edges and they're just harder to maneuver. So take baby steps and go with the half lash. And tip number 4 is not to only add glue to the lash band, but to also add some to our lash line as well. Think about this, glue attracts glue. So if we've got glue on our lash band and we've got a tiny dot of glue on our lash line, our strip lash will stay in place because it'll stick to that glue even harder. And lastly, tip number 5 is to think about how we're holding our lash. Instead of going in straight just like this and hoping to hit our lash line, we're actually gonna hold the lash like this, almost upside down, to get this band directly over our natural lashes and then push them into place. And I'm gonna say that last tip again because it's a little confusing, but it's the most important step. So let's add some glue to our lash band and add a little bit to our lash line, and then take our lash, flip it upside down, and get that lash band right next to our natural lashes to where they should be sticking straight up. Make sure they're secure, and now push them down into place, just like that. Don't forget to add mascara so that you can blend your false lashes into your real lashes. And we're done. Let me know if these lash tips were helpful for you.